we are going Pattaya. This is a Kolan island, and now I am going with my friend Pattaya beach, and I will show how it is looking like, and I will go with ship, and I will show Pattaya. It's so beautiful and a nice place. Hello friend, this is the Kolarna beach, and we are going return back Pattaya, and we will visit Pattaya beach, and I will show how it's looking like. And now we are going by ship. You can see it's so beautiful, nice place. And Pattaya to Kolarna beach take 45-minute time. So it's a beautiful place. You can visit when you will come Pattaya. It's very nice, and there are many different island. You can see this is a small island, but normally people they want to visit Kolarna Island because Kolarna Island is famous beach in this area, and there are so many resort. And finally we arrived Pattaya, and you can see it's a so beautiful, nice place, and there are so many different types of things, different types of boats, ships, and you can see there is so many tall buildings. And finally we arrived in Pattaya beach, and we will go in different area for visit. So you can see there are so many ships and hi friend, this is Pattaya city, and it's so beautiful, nice. If you want to come here, you can visit. You can see there are so many boats, ships you can visit, and this is main city, and you can go from this area to Kolan Island. So you need to pay 30 baht each one. You can visit there, and if you want to stay in Pattaya city, you can stay there. You can stay in resorts. So it's okay. I will show some different area. Weather is cloudy now, but you can see it's looking so beautiful, nice, and there is so many boats. You can hire a private boat if you want to use this, and you can use a public boat for travel. It's a cheap rate. You need to pay only 30 baht when you will go Kolarna beach. So it's a very nice, and we are going out from this beach area. So if you want to travel in city, you can find there is so many taxi, and you can find public transport. So public transport is cheaper than private taxi, and I arrived here with my friend. You can see it's a very nice. Finally I arrived in Pattaya, and I am in now my car with my friend, and we are going in Pattaya city to visit some different area, and I will show you guys how is looking Pattaya now. We are going for lunch. You can see there is a building. It's a shopping mall, a central festival. The people they are taking precaution, sanitizer, mask. It's a compulsory. Social distancing is compulsory everywhere in Thailand. They are taking precaution for tourists, for their people. So it's very nice, and I like their activity. They are trying to care everyone, and you can see I am inside of this hotel, this shopping mall. So it's looking nice, beautiful. So you can visit this place. You can visit this central festival shopping mall. Many foreigners want to come here, they want to visit here, and you can visit this place. It's very nice and beautiful. You can find many things. You want to buy something, and we took lunch here. It's a very nice place, and it's a little expensive in street restaurant. So you can choose what you want, and which is good for you. If you want to eat in street restaurant, you can join street restaurant. There are so many street restaurants. If you want to join this shopping mall, this restaurant, you can join. You can see there they put their name, and they put their charges. So you can order according your things, but you can find there normally non-veg, and
Thai food. What you want you can choose. There are so many different types of food, different types of Thai food, Chinese food. You can find, so it's very good and nice for people, and you can eat. You can order from this place.
In the Bangkok street, you will get 450.
Yes. 300 like this. 300.
I got my lunch. This is a rice and this is a vegetable. I don't know actually their name, but I ordered this. So there is, it's called Tom Yam. It's a seafood shrimp, and it's a salad. You can see this is lemon tea. So you can order. You want to eat from this place. So there is many different types of Thai food, Chinese food. You can order, you can eat. Then we are going in different place for visit. So you can see outside of this hotel. So it's looking nice, and the beach is little empty because people are not coming now, like a foreigner, other citizen from Thailand. So normally local people are using this beach. So after this situation, you can come here, you can visit this place, and it's a day lifetime, and the night lifetime is totally different from day. So in night time it will be looking different. So you can see it's inside of this shopping mall. So you can purchase many things you can buy. And now we are going in Bang Sai beach. It's a little far from Bangkok city and Pattaya city. So you can travel together. You can join Pattaya, then you can join Bang Sai beach according to your travel trip, according to your time. So it's nice, but this is totally different from Pattaya beach. Normally local people, they want to visit this place. It's a little empty. In this area it's a little heavy wave. So you can visit this place, Bang Sai. It's a Bang Sai street, and you can see weather is cloudy, and but it's looking very nice, beautiful. You can see different types of area, and this is a map of this locality, this area. You can, hello friends, from this area. I arrived Bang Sai beach. It's so beautiful, nice, and you can see there is so heavy wave, and this area, this beach is little deep in normally from other beach. So if you want to come in this place, you can come from Bangkok directly, and if you want to visit first Pattaya, then you can come from Pattaya. So it's a good place for visit. You can visit together in this place. In this beach, normally local people want to come here. They want to visit this place, but normally foreigner people, they like to visit this area. So there is a small market. It's an open market. You can visit here. Then you can find